opened up to replace the ones that recently shut. Summer's over, the leaves are changing. Friday night lights, football season. Looks like Tammy's getting hitched again. It's only been 1 month since she broke up with old what's his name, living in a small town just south of the main road. We got slower, can't put a price tag on this dirt, 'cause it's heaven on earth. Living in a small town, standing on sacred ground. Some try to leave, but when they do, they turn back around, head back to that small